So we have this question. We have been told to solve for n. So this one, the first thing that you do, you just cross multiply this one like this. So we're going to have 6n squared is equals to 25 into n minus 1. Then when you open that bracket, you're going to have 6n squared is equals to 25n minus 25. This one is a quadratic equation. You just rearrange it. You're going to have 6n squared minus 25n. You bring this 25 this side and this negative 25 this other side. You're going to have plus 25 is equals to 0. Then the next thing now, you can factorize this expression and then you equate it to 0. What we do, we look for product. We can use a factorization method. Product, we multiply this one 6 and 25, which gives us positive 150, and then our sum is simply the coefficient of n, which is negative 25. We look for two numbers that when you multiply, you're supposed to get 150, and when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 25. Those two numbers, if you check keenly, it's going to give you negative 10 and negative 15. When you multiply these two, you get it is positive 150. When you add them, you're supposed to get negative 25. After getting these two numbers, you just add n here. Then you replace this middle value with these two. You're going to have 6n squared minus 10n minus 15n plus 25 is equals to 0. Then from here, you group them into two. Then you check what is common between this and this one. You check what is common between these two. It is 2n. You factor it outside. 2n goes here, 3n. Then 2n goes to negative 10n. It goes there, negative 5. You factor it like that one. Then you come between these two and check what is common. Whatever is common is negative 5. You factor it outside. Then you ask yourself, negative 5 goes to negative 15, and how many times? It goes there, 3n. Then negative 5 goes to 25, negative 5. So that one is equals to 0. So when we have this common, you put this under one bracket. You're going to have 2n minus 5 and 3n minus 5 is equals to 0. Now that means we have two factors. We equate them to 0. It either means this one is equals to 0 or this one here is equals to 0. So in the first instance, you can say 2n minus 5 is equals to 0, meaning if you take this 5 to the other side, you're going to have 2n is equals to 5. If you divide both sides by 2, our n will be equals to 5 over 2, which can be written as n is equals to 2, 1 over 2. Now, the second instance is when this one is equals to 0. This will give us 3n minus 5 is equals to 0. Taking 5 to the other side, you're going to have 3n is equals to 5. You divide by 3 both sides. Our n will be equals to 5 over 3, which can also be written as n is equals to 1, 2 over 3.